And the last concern we have to deal with is corrosion. An awful lot of the chemicals we inject are highly corrosive. I mean, really, really bad. They'll eat up steel for a snack. So the key always is plastic, plastic, plastic. And then if you have to, you can go to stainless. The reason you try to stay away from stainless is the cost. Stainless is very expensive in your piping systems. You even have to be concerned if you're running through brass valves. You best know if the chemicals that you're injecting have the ability to really eat up brass. Brass is a much better resistance than steel has. Therefore, you need to have, because of the corrosion, you need to have some policies set up for flushing the equipment after the end of the application. And every chemical is going to have a minimum flush requirement. The normal is at least 30 minutes of fresh water flush after you've stopped the application of the chemical. That's kind of like a normal condition. That's not always going to be the case. Some chemicals are going to have more stringent requirements. But you want to make sure that you try to get every molecule of that chemical out of your system when you're done with the application, so that it's not going to be sitting in there eating up the material that your system's made out of.
What would you do with the water that you flush out?
It's just fresh water.
Oh,
You just continue to irrigate. Yeah.
oh, you just...
So you have to plan on that too. Yeah, with a pivot, if it was a pivot, you just, after the system, once you made your full circle and finished your application, you just go a little further, just keep it running with no chemical going through it, and you just be applying water around part of the circle, just fresh water. In fact, a lot of times they'll have you go around and make a pass with fresh water right after you've applied the chemical to drive it in even deeper.